Major pump in Bitcoin today is sending us above the resistance line here on the descending wedge pattern. If tomorrow's candle is able to open and close above this level, this would constitute an official breakout and it may send the price flying. Guys, a breakout from a pattern like this most often reaches its top level, the highest point in the pattern, and that currently sits at the all-time high of $109,358. Guys, we can't look that far ahead yet. We still need to see a breakout, and today I'm going to talk to you about what we could see through this weekend for Bitcoin, especially with whale money continuing to buy into the market, and I'm going to give you a fair warning as well. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we have 284 successful trade calls with 0 losses in the last 25 months. You can access our trade setups here. And for our members, we have a brand new future forecast. You have blank days left, according to this chart, before Bitcoins and altcoins explode. The question on everyone's mind is this a relief rally or is the bull market starting with altcoin season close to follow? Here's the data. We're going to cover, was that the low for altcoins, or is there more room to fall? The XRP signal that could send prices 700% up. Could alt season really be starting this month? Should you keep buy limits open, or is it time to dump our cash into the market? And we're going to revisit the altcoin retirement chart and show how close we are to the first scale out. This is going to be a crucial video, so anyone looking to follow what we're doing at Trade Confident needs to watch it as soon as possible. You can access our membership with the links in the description down below. With that, let's get started talking about Bitcoin liquidity on the CoinGlass liquidity heat map. Right now, we have a very large amount of liquidity sitting at a value of $85,000, and the total liquidity goes all the way up to $86,000. There is some up here around the $80,000 or the $88,000 range, but it is closed off on this chart. For now, I think this weekend we are going to take out this liquidity, bringing us all the way up to about the $86,000 level. And on our chart, we still have the $88,800 structure resistance at this level. So if we copy and paste this at a value of $86,600, which we saw on the chart, this puts us right about here. From the current price to that resistance at 86,000 is only about a 3.62% move. Absolutely within the realm of possibility. And honestly, I think Bitcoin could reach between these two levels, $86,000 and $88,000. Now, what needs to happen is whale money must continue moving into the market. As soon as whales begin selling, I think this is going to cause a rejection of whichever resistance we are sitting at the time. Whale money moves out of the market, it means whales are selling, this green line drops, and the price drops as well. And you're going to see this correlation very, very consistently. Not even correlation, this is actually causation. When whale money moves out of the market, the price drops, and it's as simple as that. Trades in favor, 55% chance of a drop. We still have plenty of room for upwards momentum. If we move into the short trade zone, it is likely that we are going to reject the resistance and drop to the downside. Same if we get a sell signal. Most often, this is going to result in drops in the market. This is a kind of peculiar situation. There's a lot of fundamentals in the market pushing us up, but technical analysis really is showing bearish. Let's talk about the weekly time frame because this may give us some clarification. And what I want you to notice on the weekly is that price versus whale money flow is low. Whale money's just barely began moving into the market, and this wedge pattern looks due for a breakout. If on the weekly time frame whale money moves into the market, this is where we're likely to see much larger pumps, even as high as $109,000. We see an 84% chance of a pump. Trades in favor is in the long trade zone, and we're likely to see a bounce. We recently got a buy signal at the current level as well, and this creates a bullish trifecta. On the weekly time frame, when we see bullish trifectas, it's rare, but when they appear, this is where we're seeing monumental, life-changing moves up in the crypto market. So this is what I want everyone to pay attention to. Long term, I'm talking months out, yeah, we're looking pretty bullish. Over the short term, we may see a move up to a max of $88,000, likely closer to 86, and from there we may see a rejection. It's really hard to tell, and we're going to keep everyone updated the best we can because, guys, We want you to be able to change your life with cryptocurrency. Our traders are already doing that. If we head to the profits tab, this trader became debt-free using these indicators. This person makes $1,000 to $5,000 a day, 10% profit, 50 to 70% profit, 103% profit in 34 days. These indicators are no joke. And if you want to get started, guys, if you want to have these indicators on your chart, our members can get access for up to $550 off. That's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. If you want to get started, links to sign up are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. And if we head to the indicator page, you're going to see you can get $150 off with the coupon code here. More savings to come as we click the Pro Indicator pack. Click I want this, throw in that membership code, and fill in your information. From here, what's going to happen is you're going to click pay, and you're going to get a $400 off discount, bringing this to a full $550 off. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.